Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are working with the Framed Violets bundle along with the Violet Dreams Specialty DSP again today. And these pieces are from the Specialty DSP. They're all die cuts that I punched out or just pressed out. And then we've got some shimmering dots for accents, and these little ones are from the die cuts as well. This is the stamp and then die, and I used it to cut it out. This is Fresh Freesia. The one we're going to build today is the Hydrangea Hue. And then I don't know if you can see it, but I added Wink of Stella to the leaves and the flowers and the centers of these flowers too. So let's go ahead and get building. I have already stamped and die cut out and then added the happy birthday. Again, only inking the happy birthday and not the to you. You can add the to you if you like, totally your call. And I'm going to leave the Wink of Stella right there because otherwise I will forget to use it. So I cut the designer series paper down to 5 1/4 by 4. This is my standard measure. I'll just put that down on the card like that. There we go. And then this is also flat mounted down. So I just put some adhesive there. And when I stamped this, this side was a little bit off. So that's where I'm going to put the flowers down. There's always ways to deal with things that didn't go quite as we planned. So I'm just going to pop that down like that. There we go. And the two of the larger leaves, I'm going to flat mount. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on the back like that. And I'm going to have this kind of overhang the edge a little bit like that. The third leaf, I'm going to dimensionalize and pop that up right there like that. Just gives it a little bit. This is almost definitely an African violet vibe. I was thinking when I started working with this, I was thinking of, you know, like this one here, the violas that grow in the garden and that. But this, the way I'm doing this is definitely much more an African violet type vibe. So I've got 5 of the die cut flowers. 3 of them I've dimensionalized and they will go around the base. And then there's 2 that are going to flat mount just in behind. So just going to pop that down like that. And this is the other dimensionalized one, just like this. And I am really looking forward to working with this set. I think it's got a lot of potential, a lot of different ways to use it. You've got your designer series paper, you've got your dies that you can stamp and cut out. There's so much to explore with this. So I'm glad I've got the whole week on it. And again, this set will be available to customers in July. So for these little flowers, I've just put adhesive dots on the back because it's easier to use those. And I'm just going to put them around the happy birthday just to add a little bit of interest. There's a lot of white space around the happy birthday. You can use your texture stamp. So I'm just peeling this off. You can use your texture stamp, this one here, and add a little bit of interest if you like. Or you could maybe even run this after you've stamped it all. You could even run it through an embossing folder to add a little bit of detail. I'm happy with it just as a little bit of white space for the eye to rest on because the rest of the card is a little bit busy. You see the background's busy and the background's busy here. All right, so let's go ahead. And I'm going to add my bling before I Wink of Stella. So I'm just going to put one of the white shimmering dots, one of the smaller ones, in the center of each of these little flowers. So they do have a little yellow center to them, but I'm okay with covering that up. I like the effect of having the bling in the middle, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take 3 and I'm just going to pop them down here. Just going to pop one down like that. And one like that. And one like that. There we go. Okay. Just put that off to the side. Now I'm going to do my Wink of Stella. See, I had to leave it out so that I didn't forget. And I'm just going to Wink of Stella the center of those. And I'm going to go around with the bling. The reason I did the bling first was I didn't want the paper to be wet when I put the bling down because I didn't know if it wouldn't stick. And then I'm just coming along the veins of the leaf. So the whole leaf isn't colored in. I'm just following the lines of the veins of the leaf just to really accent those. And you can come out a little bit with a bit more bling or a little bit more Wink of Stella up top. There we go. Awesome. So those are our 2 cards. Happy birthday. This is, I think I prefer this one. I like the dark background with the light foreground, but this one is super, super serene and calm. This one would actually probably make a nice sympathy card. It's quiet, it's a bit low key, but those are our 2 cards for today's video. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know which one you prefer, and let's create together again soon.